Guys, if you're headed out to Walgreens, you might want to wait before you go do your haul. Go later today, perhaps after 4 o'clock. Over many different accounts on Instagram, people are saying there's a ton of bugs where prices are not ringing up correctly and the register rewards are not printing. And the new big book of savings is not working along with digital coupons. It's the perfect storm of misery. Very nice lady over on Instagram and here on YouTube, Dawn's Deals. I really like her. We're both in the Midwest. She's up in Chicago or down in Chicago and I'm up here in northern Michigan. And she basically said, hey guys, lots and lots of problems and to either go shopping later today or alternatively to go on Monday or Tuesday because there's just so many issues. And when you have to watch the cash register that intently to know every single sales price and just to be like laying on top of the cash register, it's not a really fun shopping trip. And sometimes for whatever reason, when they have a new month and they have to program everything in, it's a story of one of two ways. It'll either work or it won't. So I'm going to go later today and let you guys know, but just word to the wise. If you do not want the headache of calling customer service, I would wait. And again, special thank you to Dawn for putting this out there. She's on the money because a lot of people are reporting the same thing. They're having issues. Okay, so we're just going to do a little roundup video of like, what are you doing today? Dollar General, they put out these gain coupons and I was so excited when I saw this, like 5 off of 20, OMG. But if you look at the date really carefully, that expires on the 29th, which is a Friday. So we're not going to be able to use the 5 off of 25 in concert with this. So I wonder if this is a new thing that they're going to do over there. There's still going to be some cheap gain to be had and found, but it's just kind of like one of these stories of, is this coded wrong? Is it going to still be valid on the 30th? Which has happened before with these gain coupons where they have a date and it's extended another 2 weeks, or they have a date and it's just there a little bit longer. So we're going to have to keep a watchful eye out on Saturday morning, because if it's still there on Saturday morning, if you've been with me for a really long time, you know what I'm talking about. We could possibly use it, or it'll just be till the Friday, the 29th, and we'll have to do a deal just with one 5 off of 20, but still it's only a $20 basket and you get $5 of savings. That's still something to be had and found. And, it's not the worst thing and you can do it all week long at your leisure. But loaded either way, we're going to have some matchups for you guys. And on Tuesday, the 26th, it should probably hit 10 cents for a lot of the remaining Christmas merch. I know there's not a lot left. In seasons past, when they have this clearance event, they always say that plastics are not included, and for the quarter sale they were not, but plastics were in fact included the last 2 years when it hits 10-cent day. So if your store is still like stocked with this sort of stuff, like plastic this, plastic that, if you have the opportunity on Tuesday morning to run in there first thing, do a little scan and see what these are ringing up for, you might be able to get a lot of storage stuff for, next year on the cheap. And even some of this stuff you can just use for your stockpile to store like items. So this is a really great thing to, because I know a couple stores I was looking at, they had a lot of these, tree bags and wreath bags and that sort of stuff. So, keep a watchful eye out on Tuesday for that. So guys, I'm not much of a penny shopper because I really struggle to find this stuff, because to get out there first thing on Tuesday morning, I think a lot of the managers around here, they're on different like penny lists, or they just are very in tune with what is supposed to be taken off the shelf. I really struggle with finding pennies, or there's a really great shopper who goes to every single store and grabs everything, but it's exceptionally rare that I can ever find any pennies. There was a surprise penny list that was released. If you want to check out the video I posted yesterday, I think it was released on a Friday, and I went like Saturday around 3 o'clock, and I hit the mother lode of deli meat, and I found a whole lot of it, and I was like, what? So if you want to check out the video I posted yesterday, I'm going to show you guys all the UPCs and how to do it. First rule of penny shopping is just to go in there and look for it. Do not mention it to staffers and just like your secret agent, just go in there and do it. It's stuff that should be pulled from the shelf, but they haven't, and it's like a race between you and the employees. So Zibblid. Keep your mouth shut about it. Go in there and look for it. You're either going to find it or you won't. A lot of this stuff is ringing up 00, but it's actually a penny for these products. So good luck. I would do this sooner than later because once the word gets out, I mean, 17 lunch meats for 17 cents, unheard of. Check out the video at the end if this is something you want to be on the hunt for today. Lots of you over on Instagram have been tagging me in photos of your hauls, and lots of people are really scoring big on this one. Okay, so now let's go over to Rite Aid, and we have 2 freebies this week that include the Rite Aid stationery. So selected products, you buy one and you're going to get back $2 of bonus cash. They even have crazy glue, which I think I might be grabbing. A lot of this stuff is just an even Steven freebie, but stuff like, those little books or the paper clips, that's a little money maker for you. You're going to have to really look for stuff that's tagged because not everything is included. So you're definitely going to look for the items that say, $2 back of bonus cash, and I believe it's a limit of 2 per store card, but hey, that's free stationery. They do this every winter, so I really love this little promotion. It is quite fantastic. Okay, another little freebie that we have, and sorry guys, I don't have the proper coupon to show you, but there's also $1 off if your insert might have received it. It's from the Smart Source of January the 17th. So with the flyer coupon, which is on your right, you would grab one of these Irish Spring products. I believe you have to grab body wash as per the verbiage of the coupon. So grabbing one of those body washes for $3.99, subtracting that $2 digital, it's $1.99. But if you throw in that $1 manufacturer or 75 cents, whichever one you might have, it'll drop it down to 99 cents you'll have to pay out of pocket, and then get back $1 of bonus cash, and you can do this up to twice per store card. And if it's 75 cents, it'll be like a quarter. If you have the 75-cent coupon, it'll be a quarter for this, but still a really great stock up price for Irish Spring. And I love this price point. If you go over to Walgreens, this stuff is usually like $4.99 or $5.99 now. I didn't know it was made out of gold, but Rite Aid has a really great price point for this. If you have somebody in your household that loves Irish Spring, this is definitely a stock up price. And even if you don't have a manufacturer coupon to get it for 99 cents, yes, very good deal. Okay, guys, next deal that we have is at Meijer, and Meijer is in the Midwest. So see how that's written? Google if you might have that store in your location. There is no sister store to it. Please don't ask in the comments. It's only this name, and it's only in the Midwest predominantly. Anyhow, the Dawn dish soap is like $2.69. They have a whole bunch of variation of them. And when you buy 2 of them with this promotion this week, you'll get a $5 back on your next order that comes out of the Catalina machine, dropping it down to very little out of pocket. So these ones that I'm looking at, I believe they're like an orange color or a green color. Grabbing 2 of them, that's $5.38, and then you'll pay that out of pocket, get back a $5 on your next order. So it makes it 38 cents for the 2. And you get these on your next orders once per transaction. So say you wanted to do this deal twice, you'd have to do 2 separate transactions. The little dollar bottles of the Dawn, I believe it's not kicking out the on your next order, that $5 coupon. So just be warned of that. I had a friend try this morning, so it's not working. But hey, it's just an opportunity to get some inexpensive dish soap if you're going to get the ones for $2.69. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.